Alright, solving radical equations. This is part 2. This is the rest of the worksheet. Problem 17 through 27 odd. Here's number 17. Like I said earlier, I think it was problem 3. You want to isolate the radical. So I don't want this negative 1 over here. I want to make sure the square root of 5a minus 1 is alone when I square the thing. So I move it to the left, move the negative 1 to the left, and I get a plus 1 equals square root of 5a minus 1. Now, it turns out that's a mess too. Okay. In fact, I'm going to do that to the side. When I square this, I want to remind you that when you square a binomial, you don't just get a squared plus 1 squared. When you square a binomial, remember, a plus 1 squared is the same as a plus 1 times a plus 1. You have to FOIL it out. A times a squared. Then a times 1 plus a. Then 1 times a is 1. So you get this middle term. Hopefully, you'll start doing it often enough that you won't make this the most common mistake of leaving out the middle term. Okay? And in fact, I want you to see a pattern here. Whenever you square a binomial, you get square the first term. Generally bring down that sign. Twice, the two terms multiply. 2 times a times 1. So that's 2a. Plus, and whenever you square it, this is always a plus. Plus 1 squared, which is 1. See? Same thing. Using my pattern. Okay, on the right-hand side, squaring a radical just gets rid of the radical. Now, you have an exponent again. It's a quadratic to solve. You move everything to the left. And I get a squared minus 3a plus 2 equals 0. A. What are factors of 2? Combine to make negative 3. Negative 2, negative 1. So we get a minus 2 equals 0. A minus 1 equals 0. So a equals 2 and a equals 1. Excuse me. Alright. Plug it into the original. Okay. I want to copy the original just to make sure, keep it straight in my head. 2 equals, is it equal to negative 1 plus square root of 5 times 2 minus 1. That's 10 minus 1, which is 9. 3, 2, yep, that worked. Let's plug in 1. I'll do it over here. 1, is that equal to negative 1 plus square root of 5 times 1 minus 1. Again, just working out the right hand side. That's 4 minus 1. It is not 4 minus 1, it is 5 minus 1. Square root of 4, 2, 1. Yep, 1 equals 1. So, both answers work. Final answer for number 17. A equals 2 or A equals 1. Okay. Number 19. Did I say 19? Okay, 19. Whoa! That radical bar does not go over the minus x, which means I gotta move it to the left. So that's going to make it x minus 3 equals radical 4x minus 15. Alright, again, square both sides. Maybe we should pause the video and try this one, because it's about the same thing. Okay? Alright, remember when we square this binomial, you're going to get a trinomial. I'm going to do it my shortcut way. Square the first term, bring down the sign. 2 times 3 times x is 6x. Plus, square the second term, 9. That's 4x minus 15. Move everything to the left. Minus 10x plus 24 equals 0. What are the factors of positive 24? That combine to make negative 10, negative 6, and negative 4. So x minus 6 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. X is 6, and x equals 4. Plug it in to the original. copy the original. You could probably, nah, let's not go there. Plug it in. 4 times 6 minus 15 minus 6. Yeah, are those equal? Let's see. That's 24 minus 15 is 9. So that's 3 minus 6. Yes, it's negative 3. That worked. Let's try on the other one. 4 times 4 minus 15 minus 4. So that's 16 minus 15. That's what? 1. Let's square root of 1. 1 minus 4, negative 3. It works again. So, both are solutions. Whew. Let's do another one. 21. 21 is similar to 17 and 19. Once I write down the problem, copy the problem, and try it on your own. Okay, this is number 21. I made a mistake, so I had to start over. Okay, sorry. Alright, move everything to the right. R minus 6, square both sides. Minus 12R plus 36. Move everything to the right. That's going to be what? Minus 15R plus 56. What are the factors? 56 that combine to make negative 15. R, negative 8, negative 7. So that gives me R minus 8 equals 0 and R minus 7 equals 0. Give me R is 8 and R equals 7. Plug it in to the original problem. So 6 plus square root of 3 times 8 minus 20. Is that equal to 8? So that's going to be 24 minus 20. So that's 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Yep, 8 equals 8. Alright, let's try with 7. 6 plus 3 times 7 minus 20. Is that equal to 7? 21 minus 20. Yeah, I think it will. Square root of 1. Okay. And that's it. Moving on. Alright, that's number 7. Sorry, number 21. And my final answers are R equals 8 or R equals 7. Next problem, 23.